basic formula. What formula we are going to use here? L, wherever you have L of f of t, you will be using f of s. Wherever you have L of f dash of t is equivalent to y dash. Wherever you have Laplace transformation of y dash, you have to use the formula s into f of s minus f of 0. This formula you have to remember, because using this formula only we will solve the Laplace transformation. So f dash t means first you have to write f of s, and then with the negative sign you will write f of 0, f dash of 0, f double dash of 0, and so on. So linear transformation of f dash of t will be s into f of s minus f of 0. If you have L of f double dash of t, which is equivalent to y double dash, then you have to write s square f of s minus s f of 0 minus f dash of 0. So most of the time it will be second order differential equation only. So either three formulas you are going to use. So this you have to remember. If you have double dash, you will write s square f of s minus s f of 0, which is same as y of 0, minus f dash of 0, which is y dash of 0. Can you tell me what will be the formula for f triple dash t? Third derivative. It will go very similar to this. Can you tell me what will be the formula? Hmm?
S cube f of s minus s square f of 0 minus f dash of 0 minus f double dash of.
Very good. So what will happen? The power of s will slowly decrease. So f triple dash of t will be s cube of f of s. See, power of s will decrease. First s cube, then s square, then s, then 1. And then first we will write f of s, then f of 0, then it will increase. F dash of 0, f double dash of 0, f triple dash of 0, and so on. But till third derivative we don't have. Basically we'll be having either first derivative or second derivative. So those two formulas you have to remember. Now we'll see how to solve the. My question is y dash minus 5y is equals to e to the power 5x. And what is given to us? Y of 0 is equals to 2. So first what we will do? Always remember, in differential equation, the first step what you will do is taking Laplace transform on both the side. Apply L on both the side. So L of y dash minus 5y is equals to L of e to the power 5x. So first step is you will apply Laplace transformation on both the side. Now separate the Laplace transformation on left hand side. So you will get L of y dash minus 5 L of y is equals to L of e to the power 5x. Now what is L of y dash? Just now we have done no first derivative. L of y dash formula is
Yes,
Yes,
f of s.
capital F of s minus f of 0.
very good. And what is the formula for L of y? Linear transformation. Y means f of t, okay? Instead of f, I'm writing y because question is in terms of y. So what will be your y? L of y?
Capital F of s.
Now we will substitute it. My L of y dash is, I'm writing in blue so that you can understand this formula only I have applied here. L of y dash is s f of s minus y of 0 minus 5 L of y is f of s is equals to Laplace transformation of e to the power 5x, which is 1 divided by s minus 5. So in this step, all the capital L will go and the formula will come. Now after this step, what you have to do is combine all the f of s, and rest of the thing you can substitute the value. Like you can see y of 0 here, no? What is the value of y of 0? See?
2.
2. So we will substitute value of y of 0. Okay. And then we will take f of s common. I have done it at the end. So I have substituted the value of y of 0, which is 2, and then I have taken f of s common. If we'll take f of s common, then we will get s minus 5. So finally you will get the equation s minus 5 multiply with f of s minus 2 is equals to 1 divided by s minus 5. So first step is you will apply Laplace transform on both the side. Second step, you will apply the formula Ly dash formula, or if you have Ly double dash, apply the formula. For L of y, you will be writing f of s, and L of any other function, you will be writing the Laplace transformation formula. In the formula itself, sometime you will get y of 0, sometime you will get y dash of 0. Those value will always be given to you. You just have to substitute. You will get some numbers. Put those numbers on right hand side and make sure f of s is written on the left hand side. So now this we have minus 2. Now I have taken minus 2 on right hand side. So 1 divided by s minus 5 plus 2. Take the LCM. 1 plus 2s minus 10 divided by s minus 5. And left hand side we have s minus 5 into f of s. Then s minus 5 also will go to right hand side. Left side only f of s will be there. No other term. So we have s minus 5 into f of s is equals to my right hand side. My s minus 5 will go to the denominator. So 1 plus 2s minus 10 is 2s minus 9 divided by s plus 5 whole square. All of you understood till here?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so now what we have to do, capital F is given to us, we have to find small s. How to find small f from capital F? What do we do? We have to find small f of t. That will be my y. But since we have capital F of s, how to get small f from capital F? Using?
Inverse Laplace transform.
Good. Using inverse Laplace transform. Okay, so f of s can be written as L of f of t. So my f of t will be L inverse of my right hand side. Now from here, your inverse concept will start. Okay, you have to solve the problem as we were solving for inverse function. Now tell me, how will you solve this? 2s minus 9 divided by s minus 5 whole square. How will you solve this?
Split the numerator.
Either you can split the numerator or you can apply the partial fraction. Okay, anything is fine. I have used the partial fraction formula because most of the time we'll be using partial fraction, and with the partial fraction it will be a little easy. Or you can split the term, anything which is comfortable for you. So I have done the partial fraction to split the factors on the denominator. So 2s minus 9 divided by s minus 5 whole square I am writing as a by s minus 5 plus b by s minus 5 whole square. Since we have two factors in the denominator, so first simply you will write s minus 5, then you will write s minus 5 whole square. Then take the LCM. Your LCM will be a into s minus 5 plus b divided by s minus 5 the whole square. And since we know that denominator and denominator will get cancelled out, only numerator we have to compare. So we have 2s minus 9 divided by s minus 5 whole square is equals to a into s minus 5 plus b divided by s minus 5 whole square. Which value of s you will keep? Let s is equals to, since we have s minus 5, no, so one value will keep it as 0. Sorry, one value will keep it as plus 5. So If f is plus 5, so 2 into 5 minus 9 is equals to a into 5 minus 5 plus b. 5 minus 5 will be 0, so this entire term will be 0. 5 to the 10, 10 minus 9 will be 1, so 1 is equals to b. So you got b value as 1. Now in order to find out the a value, we will just compare the coefficient of s. You can solve it through any way. You will compare the constant, you will compare the coefficient, or you can substitute the value, anything which is comfortable for you. So the value of a, I have compared the coefficient of s. From left hand side, my s coefficient is 2, and my right hand side s coefficient is a. So a value is 2. Now I'll substitute my a and b value. So 2s minus 9 divided by s minus 5 whole square can be written as 2 divided by s minus 5 plus 1 divided by s minus 5 whole square. So taking Laplace inverse on both the side. So 2 into Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 5 plus Laplace inverse of 1 by s minus 5 whole square. So this will be my final answer. So you f of t which you will get, that will only act as your y function. So your y is 2 into e to the power 5t plus t e to the power 5t. Understood? So how you are supposed to solve the differential equation using Laplace transformation? Step number 1, apply Laplace transformation on both the side. Step number 2, apply the formula. Step number 3, keep f of s at one side and put everything on right hand side. Step number 4, apply Laplace inverse concept. Most of the time you will be doing through this one, partial fraction. So make sure you are very good with partial fraction, then only you can solve such problem. And definitely one problem from application will come. So make sure you will practice it properly. All of you understood? Or is there anyone who has any doubt? Hmm? Anyone, any doubt? No doubt? Or what? Shall I move to the second problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So problem number 2. Can you see the screen? I think my system got hanged.
We cannot see the second problem, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Solve 9y double dash minus 6y dash plus y is equals to 0. If y dash is given to you know, if question is in terms of y double dash, then they will give you two value. One is the value of y, another one is the value of y dash. Okay, so what we will do? First step is we will apply the Laplace transformation on both the sides. Laplace transformation of 9y double dash minus 6y dash plus y is equals to Laplace transformation of 0. Okay, we'll left hand side, we will split my Laplace transformation into 3 terms. 9 into Laplace transformation of y double dash minus 6 into Laplace transformation of y dash plus Laplace transformation of y dash is equals to 0. Now quickly tell me the formula. What is Laplace transformation of y double dash? Double dash will start with s square. So the formula will be
S square f of s minus s f of
0.
0 minus f dash of 0.
Good. Similarly, L of y dash will be s f of s minus f of 0. L of y is f of s and Laplace transformation of 0 is a 0. Now here you have to substitute different values. At the end you will be left with only f of s. See if you can see. What is the value of f of s? Sorry, f of 0. F means y
3.
only. 3.
3.
What is the value of f dash of 0?
1.
1.
1. Again we have one more f of 0. That value will be 3. So we will substitute all the values. So we have 9 into s square f of s minus s into 3 minus 1 minus 6 into s into f of s minus 3 plus f of s is equals to 0. Now here you will get some terms in s, some terms in constant and some terms in f of s. You just have to keep f of s on the left hand side, rest everything you have to send on right hand side. So let's see what are the coefficient of f of s. From first term we will get 9s squared. From second term we will get minus 6s and from third term we will get 1. So 9s squared minus 6s plus 1 into f of s. Then how many s we have? 9 3s are 24 minus 24s. 24s, huh? 27s. 9 3s are 27. 27s. And the constant minus 9 plus 18. So you will get 9s square minus 6s plus 1 into f of s minus 27s minus 9 plus 18 will give you plus 9. Put everything on right hand side except f of s. So you will get 9s square minus 6s plus 1 f of s is equals to 27s minus. So finally your f of s is 27s minus 9 divided by 9s square minus 6s plus 1. Can you factorize the denominator because it's a quadratic equation? Hmm? Can you factorize the denominator and tell me what are the factors?
3s minus 1 the whole square.
Very good. 3s minus 1 the whole square. Can you make numerator also 3s minus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Taking
you
9 as
convert your
9
common.
Yes.
common.
Very good. So numerator we are taking 9 as common. So we'll get 9 into 3s minus 1. Denominator, this is the whole square of 3s minus 1. If you'll take out the fact, if you'll split the middle term, then also you will get two factors 3s minus 1 into 3s minus 1. 1 3s minus 1, 1 3s minus 1 will get cancelled and you will be having 9 divided by 3s minus 1. Since you got your f of s, then you will write your f of s in terms of linear transformation, which is L of f of t. Since we have to find f of t, so L will go to the right hand side and it will become the inverse. Now you solve it and tell me what will be the answer. Laplace inverse of 9 divided by 3sc. Already denominator, the down I have written the answer. So what we have done here, We have taken from numerator 9 common, from denominator 3 common, 1 divided by s minus 1 by 3, which is the inverse of e to the power t by 3. So 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. So find